Hi, welcome to the N2WS Academy. My name is Cynthia Santos, Senior Solution Architect here in N2WS. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up an SQL Server in the Azure cloud. I'm here in my N2WS dashboard, and I'm going to back up a native SQL Server. I always start out my videos by showing customers what is the backup target that we're trying to protect. Here is my Azure dashboard, and I'm on the SQL Server portion, and this is the name of my database. Next, I'm going to the N2WS console, navigate on the left menu to Policies, and I'm going to create a new policy for this database. I'm going to call it Demo SQL, and then Test 1. I'm going to select my account, my subscription, and I want to protect this resource on a daily basis. Next, I'm going to backup targets, add backup target and SQL Server. I see here my resource and I can add it. Then you get this warning. This warning means that the backup target must be configured to archive the data. So I selected, click configure here, and then I'm going to get some options. These options are going to vary based on your configuration, but it's asking you for a storage repository and a worker. We have specific videos on how to make a storage repository, how to configure a worker, and how to test it. So if you have questions about it, please reference the other videos. After you make your selections, hit apply. And now the backup target is ready. The next portion is lifecycle management. I'm going to keep 30 days and 30 generations. And now hit save. After I save my backup policy, I'm going to run it. And then I'm going to show you the expected output after the policy is completed. So I'm going to pause the video and see you back in a few minutes. I am back thanks to the magic of video editing. It takes a few minutes to do the backup. In my case, took about 10 minutes. But this is what you're expected to see. You see a successful status here. And if you want to look in more detail at what happened behind the scenes, you can always click on the log and select to view all the different steps that the backup policy took to complete the backup. And that's it. That's how you create a backup policy for an SQL Server. Thank you everybody for watching and hope to see you in the next video.